what's your most popular?
Our most popular at the moment is roller blinds. We have a very extensive range of fabric choices in both grades and colours.
And so why are they so popular?
Well, they're economical, they're low maintenance, and they do have that very large range.
Tell us a bit more about home vision blinds first and why you really are the experts.
Well, we've been manufacturing and supplying blinds for nearly 30 years.
Wow, 30 years, you must be doing a lot right. So what do you think that is?
Well, it's a family-owned business and our factory is in East Tamaki, so all our blinds are made in New Zealand and that provides quality assurance.
And competitive pricing, I'm guessing, because it's direct from the factory.
That's correct.
Now, you're not the cheapest though?
No, we don't intend to be the cheapest. Our intention is to provide a good quality product at a fair price.
And over that time, there's been a huge increase in the number of blind options now that we have to choose from. So how do I know which options to go for?
Well, if you tell us your requirements, such as are you a light sleeper, are you a shift worker, you need more blockout, thermal insulation, then we can work within your guidelines.
And what about any damp or mould issues?
Now, all our fabrics are treated during the manufacturing process of the fabric for mould resistance and fire retardancy.
That's fantastic. And do they come with a warranty?
5 years.
That's awesome. And you can advise someone on these options by do you come round to the house and have a look?
That's correct. If you live in Auckland, we will come and do a free measuring quote, or you can hop on our website and make an inquiry through there.